So I wanted to answer your questions, but I know you haven't seen the live chat yet, so I wanted to first focus on the idea of negatives before we start adding and subtracting negative fractions. So the rule for negatives when you're adding and subtracting is same sign add and keep, different sign subtract, keep the sign of the larger number, and then you'll be exact. You can actually sing that to row your boat to help you remember that. So when I look over at -3 plus -2, I see that I have the 3 is negative and the 2 is negative. So that's same sign. So I'm going to follow the rule for same sign. It says add and keep the sign. So I add 3 and 2 to get 5, and I keep the negative. Okay, and the next one, -7 plus 4. Well, the 7's negative, and the 4 is plus, which means positive. So these are different signs. So I'm going to follow the rule for different signs, which is to subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. So I subtract to get 3, and I keep the sign of the bigger number. 7's bigger, so I keep the negative. And the same thing for -2 plus 8. The 2 is negative, the 8 is plus, which is positive. So these are different signs, so I subtract them to get 6, and I keep